Hello everyone, it's Suzan Evyo. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook chicken drums with yogurt or with zabadi. My ingredient here, I have the yogurt, just plain yogurt, I have fried onion, I have zucchini, and the spices here, as you can see, tomato paste, turmeric powder, food flavoring, garlic powder, black pepper, I have paprika powder, cinnamon stick, cumin, and the chicken drums is here. So let's start cooking. First, I open my stove, high heat, and then I'm gonna put my yogurt. A little bit of water. Now I'm gonna put my spices, tomato paste, turmeric powder, food flavoring, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, cumin, cinnamon stick, salt to taste. The fried onion I'm gonna put it later. So now I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna put chicken drum, I'm gonna put some olive oil. I use olive oil in most of my cooking, so you guys feel free to use the oil of your choice. Let it cook for 25 minutes. I'm gonna cut the zucchini. So the zucchini is ready after the chicken's cooked, and then I'm gonna add the zucchini. Okay, put it away. Now the chicken have been cooking for 25 minutes. Look delicious, smell delicious. I can't wait to eat this dish. Adjust your salt, your pepper, all the spices. And I have the fried onion. The zucchini. Okay, the zucchini will cook just 7 minutes. It's gonna be done. Now the chicken is done. The zucchini is cooked for 7 minutes, and you can eat it with rice, with gurasa, with asida, by itself. Just enjoy. Thanks for watching.